Hi everyone, it's me Milyena and you're watching Milyena TV. For today's video, I am going to unbox or unwrap a package from Amazon. So last week I bought a film for my Polaroid. This is the first time I bought something outside the Philippines. I mean outside Asia. Back in 2016, I bought a camera sa thrift shop. This is a Polaroid. Like, I don't know how old this camera is, pero I haven't tried kung mag-work ba talaga siya. So this is how you open it. Bam! You know, very beautiful. So dito mo ipasok yung film. Yan. Ow. Yan. So, try ko muna buksan. Film. Please, I'm hoping na mag-work ito kasi hindi ako sure kung mag-work ito. Tear to open. Okay. Dito pala, no? Ito pala. Alam niyo ba, mas mahal ang shipping fee kaysa bakit sa ito mismo? Oh my god. So, ang nakasabi sa mga nakitang review, ang battery mismo nito kay ito. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, scary. Wait lang. What if hindi mag-work? So, nag-expect na ako na hindi mag-work to. Please. Oh my god. Alam mo yung feeling na ayaw mo masira? Kasi, first time. Tama ba dito pa dapat i-open? Okay. Ito yan. Nandito siya. So, did you know, ito ang battery mismo nito. How do I put it? So, this is how I open mga ganitong wrapper. Dito dapat, pero wait lang, mahirap siya buksan dyan. Wait ba? Wala akong internet kasi ngayon hindi ako sure kung saan pa ito ginagawa ko ngayon. Ito, ay tsura niya. So, pasok ko. I don't have it. Diyan. Tama man siguro to. Insert film this side up. Do not remove this dark side. So, ganito siguro. Pero mga instructions yan. Let's do this. Please work. Okay. It did work. Oh, it didn't? Meron pa pala. Okay. Closing. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Ayan. Nag-on na dead. Ayan, nag-on. Ayan, naglabas siya immediately. Oh my god. I'ma try it. So, let me take a picture of myself. So, dito mag-press para mag-capture. Meron ding timer and I do not know what this is. Ito yung viewfinder. This is very madumi. Okay. I'ma try. Actually, 8 lang siya. 8 lang yung film. But, nakalagay dito is 11. Why 11? Pero 8 lang siya. Talaga. I'ma try. Wait lang. Ayos mo na. Let me ayos myself. did not work. It did work! Oh my! Ayan, naglabas. Dapat i-cover ko daw to siya. Where should iwan ko lang muna din sa ano. Ayan, iipit ko lang siya. Like, giganyan ko lang. But, it did work! Oh my God! I'm so happy. It did work! At least may magandang nangyari kahit walang internet. 1 week na kaming walang stable na internet. I'll have to wait for it to be visible. Ang lapit siguro. Ay, meron akong makita konti. Meron akong makita masyado. Uy, kadool. Malapit pala nito. Ang lapit pala nito, no? Okay. I'm gonna close this. I can see myself na. Konti. Makahappy. Because 4 years after meron na talagang film. Turn off ko muna. Sayang ang film 8 lang. Tapos mahal masyado. Pero maghanap na lang ako ng mas mura. I should not shake it. Just put it here para dark. So, kung meron kang ganun na camera, it's color 600 film. Actually, it's for 800 pesos ba? Ganun. Pero ang shipping fee, 1,000 plus. Kasi outside Philippines pa. Kaya yan, naging 2,000. Pero, it's worth it. Oh, I ordered it June 14. Nagdating siya June 30. So, at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Ayan, hintayin ko na lang. Ayan, meron na naglabas. Konti. Malapit masyado. So, I do not know kung mag-work pa to siya longer or yung mag-change pa yung kulay niya longer. But here it is. The photo, it's like a box. This is my best picture ever. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ayan na. So that's all for today. I am just so happy. Thank you for watching.